Oh my goodness. Package of yummy stuff. This is from Sweet Ava's Designs on Etsy, and she makes planner stickers, and I ordered a truckload. Oh my goodness. Sweet Ava's paper, it says. I will try to remember to leave the link below. And holy schmoly. I placed 2 separate orders only because you're only allowed to purchase 90 or have 99 items in your cart at once on Etsy. So yeah, I bought a lot of stuff. But she was having a sale, and thanks to one of you viewers who told me about it, because I wouldn't have known. Oh my goodness. So I bought more than just planner stickers, but I got these, and his name is Quill, and as you can see, he's a little hedgehog, so I had to have them. And this says to, and then baked with love by, and then you can write whoever. And I thought that would be fun at Christmas time to give with cookies or little goodies. And I just thought they were too cute being that little hedgehog. You will see a lot of him. And then these are really cute. These fold up, and it's a little kitty cat, and you can unfold them. I don't know exactly how it works. It says foldable boxes, so I think you must have to fold it onto itself first. And then up. I think that's right. I don't know exactly if I'm doing that right or not, but I think so. I would think that's how you do it. So you could write something on here, and then you could also write something inside if you had something private or whatever. So that's that one. Let's see here. So it looks like all of the non-stickery things might be on top, but these are, I think, stickers. They were just big, cute stickers. Oh my word. So I think it's made of vinyl, like plastic, some sort of plastic, but look how cute that is. It's those little kitties doing their planner together. So cute. And then here's a little bat with McDonald's, and here's a fun fact. McDonald's was my first job, so that just kind of made me happy. It made me think, aw, that's cute. So there's those two. And here, sweetavaspaper.com. She has her own website now. I found these on Etsy, but you can go to her website. And then I got this cute Santa Claus clip. He's holding a coffee. And he's felt, and he's just adorable. And then I found some Post-it notes that I really liked. Here's a little dog looking like a unicorn. And here's a little dog and cat. And then here's a cat drinking coffee, and there's donuts in the background. So cute. And let's just go through these stickers. Oh my word. Okay, so the big ones, these are little magical fairy looking hedgehoggy unicorns. And you just can write in them whatever. And if they have a name, I will tell you. I'll try to remember to tell you. This one just says number 778. It's adorable though. And these are Quill gift labels. And it's for Christmas, and it's just to and from labels that are just adorable. Look at this one. Oh my goodness, so cute. Oh my goodness. All right. This is ridiculous, isn't it? This one is Paige and Snowball laying on couch. So I thought that'd be fun for just the days that you want to chill. And here is Quill Edits for YouTube. Snowball Planner Friends, small. So this is the same as the big sticker that I have. Snowball Black Friday shopping. It says, let's go, buy newspaper over budget, first store, coffee run, wake up early, look through ads, make shopping list. And it doesn't have to be used for Black Friday. I didn't figure I could use it whenever. Oh, and this one is cute. Shadow Computer. I thought I could use those even for work from home or whatever. This one is Ava Graduation, and I thought those would be cute for Katie when she graduates next year. Snowball Stack. I thought those were cute for check boxes. This one is number 610, and it's Clean Off Messy Desk. Yes. This one is number 586, and it's Quill Watering the Plants. This one looks like it's number 1111, and it is Snowball Planning. Hopefully I'm getting those close enough so you guys can see. Gertrude's Farm, and you guys know I love the chickens for my chicken, and then there's the little lamb, which I thought was cute too, so there's that. This is Snowball Cleaning the Oven. Quill Films Sticker Haul, which is what I'm doing right now. So cute. Quill Changes Bed Sheets. Snowball Traveler's Notebook. Dundee Sticker Stack. This one says organize stickers, buy all the stickers, and then he has a stack of stickers. That will be on today's. This one, Snowball Makes Home Improvements, and it says time to fix stuff. This one is Snowball Finally Friday. So cute. Snowball Floral Crown. Shadow the Cat Planning Session. Snowball Cleans Litter Box. If only that were the case, they self-cleaning. This one is number 684. This is Quill Mowing the Lawn. This one says Snowball Takes Out the Trash, and I love how he's holding his nose. Chip and Snowball Gifts and Letters. So you can see there's presents, and he's wrapping, and there's making cards or writing cards. Super cute. Snowball Knitting. Snowball Argument. Page Planning. And they had different girls that you could choose from. There was a blonde, a brunette, a redhead, a dark-skinned, and then there was this one that had the darkest hair. That's the one I picked for myself. This one is Snowball Sticky Notes. This one is Chip Tattoo Appointment. Now, I don't have a ton of tattoos, and I don't plan on getting a ton more, but I do think that's cute. I loved the way the tattoo was written, and I just thought it was too funny to not get, so I got that one. This one says Raven Hedge, and I don't even think I knew that that was a Ravenclaw one. I just thought it was a cute hedgehog wearing a scarf, so that's hilarious. Order groceries. Quill Ice Cream. The ice cream looks yummy. Quill Turkey Costume. Number 676. This is Quill with duck shoes, it looks like in a puddle. Is that right? Oh no, he had not duck shoes. It's just boots. It just kind of look like duck shoes. Quill gets sticker mail. This one just says number 579, and it's Quill with a hot coffee. And here's Quill Tea Time. So you can see that she changed Quill a little bit. It even looks different in this one a little different color quills. So I think this is an older version, but it's still really cute. So I liked both of them. This one is Quill Feeds His Dog. Takeout Kitty. Quill loves presents. And I love how she fills up the page. I think that's nice. Winter Dividers. Number 584. Quill being lazy. Quill vacuums. You see a theme here with the quill thing. Quill headphones. Snowball dividers. Quill farm stand. Oh my goodness. Quill donut. Crazy cat hedgie. This is Quill, crazy cat hedgie. Hedgie Potter, and that's all of them, I guess. That's funny. This one is number 588, and it's Quill reading. And this is Quill Planner Pin Cup. Quill quote boxes, and they say, fall is when the sun paints everything gold, save room for dessert, and life is better around the campfire. Quill takes out the trash. Quillamina beauty routine. Quillamina. Quill checks the mail. Snowball emoticons. I'm so salty. Shadow Super Cat. Oh my goodness, this one's hilarious. Snowball Happy Little Trees. Quill sews. Quill eats a salad. Snowball attacks laundry. Chef Quill. Quill made. Oh, these are so cute. Quill holiday cookies. Dundee the corgi washed the laundry. This one is number 689, and it's Quill taking a bath. This one is Ava, Snowball, and Sticker Love. So she's holding stickers and her cat. Quill Coffee. This one is number 587, and it's just Quill on payday. Number 690, Quill Doctor. Quill Sub Box. Quill Hot Air Balloon. Oh, here's the same thing as the other one, the Quill Unicorn. Oh goodness, Quillamina Nail Polish. It's Witchcraft Dividers. That's like the Hocus Pocus. Aren't they cute? And this one, it's Witchcraft Babysit. I don't even babysit. I just like the witches. I can cut off babysit and just use it as a witch. Little Elf Quill. Snowball has a friend date. Snowball organizes planner cart. Snowball Planner Friends large. You think I liked that one maybe a little bit? Snowball Craft Fair. Snowball Tennessee Planner. Quill does cardio. Traveler's Notebook Planner. Sorry, I always do that. Chip full boxes. And so these say happy birthday, free hugs. He's dreaming of pizza, and he's looking out the window as the postman comes. Snowball Shave, and it says shave your furry legs. Snowball playing with stationery. Snowball clean the closet. Snowball saves the day. page in carpool. I thought this would be really cute, not necessarily for carpool, but just for going on a trip with your friends. This one is number 668, and it looks like Quill and Quillamina on a date. This one's adorable too. Quill Holiday Lights. Snowball and Chip at the Farmer's Market. Snowball Car Wash. Quill Traveler's Notebook Setup. Snowball Iced Coffee. This one is Quill Washi. This one is number 825, and it's a turtle cleaning the toilet. Page Rainy Day. Chip Loves Red Cups. Number 581, and it's Quill with the computer, and it looks like popcorn and a drink maybe. Yes, definitely. And his little glasses on. Oh, so stinking cute. Snowball Makeup Brushes. Paige Crafting. Ava Studying. Weigh In Half Boxes. Dye Hair. Doodle Coffee Maker. Here's Quill in a Car, number 688. Quill Bills. You can see his little mad face, and he's holding money in one hand. This is It's Witchcraft, and it says to read, but I figured I wouldn't have to use this just at Halloween. I could use it anytime and put whatever book I'm reading. Quillamina Nail Polish. We're getting done, guys. This one is It's Witchcraft Coffee. Quill Taco Tuesday. Number 582, it's Quill with French fries. Number 846, Quill as a zombie. And this is the last one, number 932, Quill Apple Picking. So there we go. That is everything that I purchased, and my oh my, I'm excited to do my planner this week because look at all of these. Holy cow, I'm gonna have to organize them. That gets its own sticker. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and please check out her shop. I do not think you would be disappointed. She has something for everyone, and if you like hedgehogs like I do, whoo-wee, this is one of the cutest hedgehogs I've seen. So I don't know if I said Quill does cardio. Did you guys see that one? Maybe I was thinking of the Tennessee when I was reading that, because I should have said Traveler's Notebook, but I said Tennessee. So thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day. Bye-bye.